and I do house hunting videos among other things. And as you can tell, today I am doing a house hunting video, and you guys, this one is a good one. I promise you, this one is a good one. The house which I am at today is a 1-bedroom house located in Regen along Waiyaki, which is approximately 30 minutes drive to CBD. And you guys, I know this one will wow you because I'm already wowed, and I don't want to talk too much. I just want to give you a tour of the house. And as always, you guys fill in the comment section with comments. Let me know what you think about this house. Let me know what you think about the pricing of this house, which I will give at the end of the video. So continue watching, and as always, I will leave the contact details on the comment section below. Let's get started. House, and the first room is the kitchen. First, I love the tiles of the kitchen. They are well done and they are subtle. They are not like flowery or anything. And that is the kitchen. Enough storage space for you because we have these ones down there, and we have that one over there, and then we have that window over there, which is bringing a lot of natural lighting into the room. It's perfectly lit, and we have other two storage spaces there for you. And guys, just look at the countertops. Wow, and they're beautiful. Just look at that. You have modern taps, modern sink. Actually, you have enough working top for you. That is the kitchen, and then on your left is the sitting room, which is quite a decent space for you. Wow, just look at those big windows. These are the first things that I fell in love with when I came into this house. The windows and the glass door. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And then right outside the living room door, you have the balcony, which is such a standard size. This is something that you can decorate and relax over here as you face that scenery. Just look at that. Beautiful, right? Wow. Wow. Amazing, 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 amazing. So after here, we'll be headed to the washroom. So that is the view from the balcony. Amazing. Another thing that I love about this house is the floor, which means the kekawambao, and it's nothing short of beautiful. So from here we head on to the washroom. And this is it. Just look at that. Just look at that. Amazing, amazing, amazing. The size is big enough. That is the size of it. Big enough. And then we have somewhere where you can hang your towels here. And the tiles are beautiful, you guys. The tiles are beautiful. The sink is big enough, and you have the soap dish for you and all that, and the window is large enough, so the washroom still is well lit. Another thing that I think I love everything about this house, you guys. Another thing that I love about it is that it has a rotary area, which is of a decent size, by the way. As you can see, it's of a decent size. You guys, this house is beautiful. And then we head to the bedroom. First of all, look at that door. Perfectly done. Just perfectly done. Look at that. Then this is the bedroom, which is of a standard size, by the way. And again, I love the large window, and I love the fact that the rods are near the ceiling, so that gives height to the walls of the bedroom. And just look at that, guys. Just look at that. You have enough storage space for you. These are the wardrobes. Amazing, 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 amazing. Just look at that, you guys. Just look at that. Wow, that is amazing. This is a place where you can hang your clothes, and then you have a space for your folded clothes. This is amazing, guys. Look at that. And then you have drawers, which are grilled, by the way. That is amazing, amazing. So that is the 1-bedroom house for you, and let me give you a final tour of the